Okay, now there are 4 screws you have to get to. 2 of them are covered and 2 of them are at the bottom. There's one behind this panel. It's kind of a pain to get off, and you can kind of already see I have scratches all over it, but I'll show you how to get that off. There's another one underneath this panel. That one's fairly easy to get off. And then you have 2 bolts underneath here. One here and one here. Now these 2 are 6mm bolts, and then the 2 up here are 8mm bolts. So you're gonna wanna use a tool like this, some kind of pick, to get behind this. Pull the door handle out. And then get behind here. Oh, there we go. You pop it out. It's definitely a pain. You're gonna scratch it, but try to do the least amount of damage that you can. And there's your bolt right there. All right, now this one is definitely easier than that was. Underneath of it. You pull up, bolt your screws. Like I said, these are 8mm. There's one. 2. Now these 2 are 6mm bolts. 1. 2. All right, now this part's very easy. You just lift up on the door panel and take it off. Just like that. That's it. And now here you have 3 bolts. They're 11mm. Before you do that, I'm going to pull this up and disconnect your wire harness. Then you can remove them. There's 1. 2. Now for the 3rd one, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to reach over and grab it with your hand as you're loosening it up. That way the mirror doesn't fall out. There's your 3rd bolt. Now, you can remove your mirror. All right, so take your new mirror. You're gonna have the 3 holes for your studs. Each one of those. You'll see them pop through here, there, and there.
Right there. Yep.
Just
there they are. There's the other one.
Like that.
Cool.
And go ahead and screw them on. 1, 2, like that. Now tighten down all 3 bolts. I'm just going to hand tighten these. They are connected to the plastic housing, so you don't want to over tighten them. Like that. The 3rd one. Like that. Take your wire harness, plug it in, like that. Take this. You'll see like a little groove there. That's where your wire harness will actually follow. It's like a little channel. Like that. Just push it down. It sticks. And you put the door panel back on. There's little hooks on this side and over on the other side too. You gotta go through these holes. There and there. Here. And you also want to make sure you line up the door lock with your hole here. Door lock is in. Alright. And
you just
push down like that.
Yep.
Now you want to check all the gaps to make sure it's flush. That means that all those hooks went into place. I don't feel any gaps. Nothing on the back. Yep, everything's good. Are you ready?
Shit. I think I'm ready. Unless I'm back here.
I've never done anything like this before. I'm worried.
I'm ready too.
I'm doing it anyways. You ready? Let's go! Has this ever happened to you?
Okay. All right, Bob.
I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Typical Ford, like these things just don't hold up. This is cheap plastic. That's good. Hey, you watching the video. We noticed that a lot of you guys aren't subscribing, so do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.
That was good. What he said.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage content. See you on the next one.